Hi, this is Barb. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 in a 4-part series of makeup basics for mature skin. If you have missed the first 3 videos, I will link them at the end. We've done our skin preparation, we've done our base face, and in the last video we put on a little bit of color. And now we're going to go in with the finishing products. That will be the eyeliner and the lashes and the powder. So let's go ahead and get started with the eyeliner. This is an optional thing. You don't have to use eyeliner, but it does help to define your eyes. If you have mature skin, I would recommend going with a softer color rather than a deep black. Something like this black brown is a little, just gives it a softer, not so harsh look. And if you have hooded eyes, make sure that you are tightlining. And tightlining is where you go in under the lashes, between your lash and your eyeball. There's a little strip in there, and that's where you're going to put this liner. And all you do is make your eyes real big. And that's all there is to it. And that gives you that definition without taking up valuable real estate on your lid, which you don't have a lot of if you have hooded eyes. So that's important. If you don't have hooded eyes, you can go ahead and put liner above your lashes. I would just recommend putting it like right on your lashes. And if you want to do a wing, you can do that. I don't really like that look on me, so I just do the tight line. And if you have trouble keeping your eye open, you can just blink. Just move the pencil along as you blink, and that's another way to get it on there. Make sure that you are using a waterproof pencil. That's really important so that it doesn't end up under your eyes, one that will last all day. And then we are going to curl our lashes. Always make sure that you curl your lashes. It helps to open up your eyes and give it that little bit of lift. And if you wear glasses, curling your lashes is important. At least for me anyway. I usually wear glasses and my lashes are kind of long, so they rub against my glasses, which is annoying, so I have to curl them. And then make sure that you're using a lash primer. I like to blot it off on a Kleenex, just so there's no globs on it before I apply it. This product, as well as the mascara, contains Capixyl, which is a lash growth ingredient, so it will grow your lashes by 48% in 4 weeks. It also will help to condition your lashes, lengthen and volumize them, make them softer so they're less brittle and you don't have as much breakage or fallout. And then you can experiment with whether you want to put your mascara on right away or whether you want to let this dry first. I've done both. Usually I don't want to wait, so I just go right in with the mascara. And again, I blot it off so there's no globs. Make sure that you are concentrating the mascara on the outer portion of your eye if you have mature eyes, for a little bit extra lift. I'll do 2 coats. Make sure that you apply it all the way out to the ends. And there's no need to put the wand back in the tube for your second coat. There's plenty of product on here still. You can back comb it. And if you have mature eyes, I always recommend not putting mascara on your bottom lashes, as that tends to draw your eyes down a little bit, and we're trying to work against that. Then I like to go back in with a lash comb just to separate them a little bit, like that. And then the last thing that we're going to do is powder. And if you have mature skin, you may have shied away from powder in the past, but this particular powder is so finely milled that it's one molecule away from water. So it's actually a hydrating powder, which I know seems crazy, but this does not settle in your fine lines and wrinkles. It has a blurring effect. I like to apply it mostly in my T-zone. And don't worry about putting it under your eyes. You can do that because it's not going to settle. This is like a real life Instagram filter. It just kind of blurs things and gives you a softer look. And that is it. So if you have missed any of the videos, I will, like I said, link them at the end of this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you have a request for a look that you'd like to see, put that there as well. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.